SPINE stands for Structural and Power Improvement for Next Generation Effects. In the SPINE program, you're going to provide increased electrical power to both the H-1 Zulu and H-1 Yankee, cabin upgrades, and a 1760 data bus for net-enabled weapons. SPINE is the gateway to a Series A capability, a combination of SPINE, digital interoperability, which is Link 16, and improved aircraft and survivability equipment, which allows aircrew to go into more dangerous environment and remain safe and protected against threats. SPINE will allow H-1 aircrew to now target enemies from much farther away while working in combination with Generation 4 and Generation 5 fighters. So if you are unfortunate enough to be one of the US enemies facing the H-1 Yankee or H-1 Zulu, you can't see them, they're too far away to shoot, and yet they have weapon systems that can reach you, and the platforms that are working with them also get to stay in a place of safety, and the enemy really has no choice but to either run away or to perish.